Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with Heic that won't open. First, verify your laptop's OS and codec availability. On Mac OS, Photos should open natively. On Windows, go to Settings and install the Heic and Heic extensions from the store. Once done, make sure your files are backed up to avoid accidental loss. If the store shows the codecs installed, restart the Photos app. If not, proceed to download a trusted converter. This next step converts files so other apps can read them. Now you'll convert. Open a reputable batch converter app and add the Heic folder. Set output to JPG with around 85% quality to retain detail while keeping file size reasonable, and make sure metadata is preserved for dates and location. Choose a local destination folder. Don't overwrite originals yet. Start the batch process and watch for errors. If files fail, the converter will usually report which ones. Once conversion finishes, verify a few images open in Photos or Preview. Finish by confirming the JPGs open in all target apps. If everything looks good, you can replace originals or keep both copies. If thumbnails or previews are broken, rebuild the Photos app or explore thumbnail cache to refresh links. Should problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the Heic/Heic codec or try a different converter. Sometimes specific Heic variants need another tool. If a single file still fails, inspect its corruption. Try repairing it or re-exporting from the source device to eliminate capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.